Welcome to this series today. Let's kick it off on becoming a graphics designer. We'll explore what you'll do, how to go about starting, and what platforms are available for us. Whether you're a creative professional looking to monetize your passion or someone with a knack for design seeking an additional income stream, this guide is for you. Remember to stay tuned until the end where we reveal 5 excellent platforms to use. A graphic designer is a creative professional responsible for visually communicating ideas, messages, and information through various forms of visual media. Graphic designers begin their work by thoroughly understanding the client's needs, objectives, and target audience. Once the designer understands the project requirements, they brainstorm and conceptualize design ideas. Using specialized design software like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or InDesign, graphic designers bring their ideas to life. Graphic designers are experts in choosing the right fonts and arranging visual elements to create visually appealing and balanced compositions. Choosing appropriate colors is crucial in design. Graphic designers have an understanding of color theory and its psychological effects. Designers often play a significant role in developing brand identities for businesses. This involves creating designs for both print and digital media. They are proficient in photo editing to enhance or modify images to fit the design requirements. Graphic designers ensure that the designs align with the brand guidelines and adhere to a cohesive visual identity. They make revisions based on client input and work collaboratively to meet the client's expectations. Design trends evolve continuously, and graphic designers keep themselves informed about the latest design styles, techniques, and technologies to ensure their work remains relevant and modern. Graphic designers often collaborate with other professionals, such as copywriters, marketers, web developers, and printers, to bring a project to fruition. In summary, they are versatile creatives who play a critical role in visually communicating messages and ideas. They use their artistic skills, design expertise, and creativity to craft engaging and impactful designs for a wide range of projects and industries. Now, let's explore what it takes to become a professional in this field. Graphic design involves creating visual content for clients, such as logos, social media posts, websites, and marketing materials. Next, you'll want to identify your niche. Identify the areas in which you excel and have a passion for. Whether it's branding, web design, or illustration, focusing on a specific niche will help you stand out in a competitive market. Now it's time to build your portfolio. Start by showcasing your best work, even if they are personal projects or pro bono work. As you gain clients, update your portfolio regularly to display a diverse range of skills and styles. Up next is setting up competitive prices. Research what other designers charge for similar services in your area or niche. Consider offering packages or bundles to provide clients with more value. Once you've set pricing, engage in marketing your services. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn to showcase your work and engage with potential clients. Networking with local businesses, entrepreneurs, and other creatives can also lead to new opportunities. Now focus on time management and client communication. Set realistic deadlines for your projects and communicate them clearly to clients. Maintain open and regular communication to ensure clients are informed about the progress and any revisions needed. Next up is delivering exceptional work. Consistently delivering high-quality work is vital for building a positive reputation. Pay attention to details, stay updated with design trends, and always aim to exceed your clients' expectations. Learn how to handle clients' feedback. Embrace constructive criticism and use it to refine your skills. Address client concerns promptly and professionally, and remember that a satisfied client can lead to valuable referrals. Work on streamlining your workflow. Utilize project management tools, design software, and templates to optimize efficiency and maintain a consistent level of productivity. Eventually begin expanding your services. Once you've established a strong foundation, consider expanding your services. Offer add-ons such as social media management, print services, or web development to cater to diverse client needs and increase your income potential. Number 11. Managing finances. Keep track of income, expenses, and taxes related to your graphic design business. Consider setting aside a portion of your earnings for reinvestment or future growth. Now please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. We would greatly appreciate your support. Alright, let's move on to the 5 platforms we promised you earlier in the video. Number 1, Fiverr. Fiverr is a popular freelance marketplace that allows graphic designers to offer their services in the form of gigs. You can create a profile, showcase your skills, set your own prices, and offer various graphic design services, such as logo design, social media graphics, and illustrations. Number 2, Upwork. Upwork is another well-known freelance platform that connects businesses and individuals with graphic designers and other creative professionals. You can create a profile, bid on projects, and work on a wide range of graphic design tasks for clients around the world. Number 3, DesignCrowd. DesignCrowd is a crowdsourcing platform that allows businesses to post design projects, and designers can submit their work to compete for the project. If your design is selected, you get paid for your work. It's an excellent way to showcase your talent and potentially earn money on various design projects. Number 4, 99 Designs. 99 Designs is a design contest platform where clients host design contests, and designers submit their work. The client then selects a winning design, and the designer gets rewarded with the prize money. It's an exciting way to challenge your creativity and earn money through winning contests. Number 5, Creative Market. Creative Market is an online marketplace that allows graphic designers to sell their digital products, such as fonts, graphics, templates, and more. If you have original designs or digital assets, you can list them on Creative Market and earn passive income. Remember that building a strong portfolio and providing excellent customer service will help you stand out and attract more clients on these platforms. You're now equipped with valuable insights on starting and running a graphic design service as a side hustle. So, get out there, showcase your talent, and turn your passion for design into a lucrative venture. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on building a successful side hustle. Until next time, happy designing!